Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and this is lesson 14, problems about part of a whole, and then some simple probability. So we did the practice set for this, and this is the starred problems in lesson 14 written practice. You can find the starred problems on page 98 of your Saxon Course 2 textbook. Let's get started. All right, number 1, the USDA recommends that adults eat at least 85 grams of whole grain products each day. Ryan ate 63 grams of whole grain cereal. How many more grams of whole grain products should he eat? So if he should have a total of 85, then we're going to subtract what he's already eaten to find out how much more he should eat. Minus 63, and I get that he needs to eat 22 grams more to meet that daily total. Okay, so what we have is we have part, total, or whole, and that's what they mean by parts of a whole. Let me change colors here. Okay, 7/10, so this is 7/10 of the new recruits did not like their first haircut. What fraction did like their first haircut? And there's a couple of ways to do this. You can say, all right, if 10/10 is the total number of recruits, and I subtract the ones that did not like it, I'll get 3/10. So 3/10 of the recruits did like it. Or if you like to see a more visual representation, what I do is I draw, let's see, we need 10 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then I have this super huge box. Okay, great. So I know that 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from here, this isn't any bigger, it's just that I can't draw. So this is 7/10. They did not like it, which leaves us with what? 3/10 that did. Okay? And you can solve it either way, whatever works for you. Let's see. All right, the Declaration of Independence was signed in 1776. The U.S. Constitution was ratified in 1789. How many years passed between the two events? So I'm going to take 1789 and subtract 1776, and I get 13 years. All right, write a word problem that fits this equation. So 12 times something is $2.40. So let's say Mrs. OKK bought 12 cookies. She spent $2.40. How much does each cookie cost? Okay, it doesn't tell us to solve it, so we're just going to stick with what we've got. In 2000, nearly 18% of cars sold in North America were silver. What percent were not silver? So we know that percent is per 100. So if I take 100%, all of the cars sold, this is my total, and I subtract 18%, which were silver, this is part, I get 82. So 82, where's my thing? You guys can probably see it. I cannot see it. 82% were not silver. All right. Draw and shade circles to show 3 1/3 is equal to 10/3. So 3 1/3, I need 1, 2, 3, and then I need one that's broken into thirds. So that's colored in, that's colored in, that's colored in, and 1/3. Okay, and then 10/3. So let's see, this is, sorry, that's 3/3, that's 6/3, That's 9/3. That's 12/3. So all of this, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and one of these. And you'll see that the pictures are the same. All right. 18, simplify. So we're going to add 3 3/5 plus 2 4/5. Okay. So first thing we do is we add 3 plus 4, which is 7. We put that over 5. And then 3 plus 2 is 5. Now I'm going to have to simplify this. So 5 goes into 7. One time with 2 remaining. So I have 1 2/5. So I'm going to add this 1 to 5. Get 6 2/5. Okay, 19, we're going to multiply across the top, multiply across the bottom. 5 times 3 is 15. 2 times 2 is 4. And we're going to divide. 4 goes into 15 3 times. 3 3/4. All right, 22. Again, these are multiplies. So we're going to multiply across the top, multiply across the bottom. So I have 2 times 2 times 2 over 3 times 3 times 3. 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is 27. That's my answer. 29. How many 4/5 are in 1? So really this is 4/5 times what equals 1? And we know that we need to flip it. So the answer is 5/4. All right, and that's the end of Lesson 14 Starred Problems. Please let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day.